going to start with the warm-up of boxing punches and marches, 30 times each, 3 sets, so 3 times a round. It's a 13-minute workout, and there's no equipment needed. Then we're going to go ahead and do ankles, knees, reach, sumo squats, side lunges, elbow knee crossovers, and kicks. So 5 exercises, 2 times a round. Again, it's a 13-minute workout video with no equipment needed. So let's go. Okay, so we're going to start with boxing punches. My journey to health. You're strong. You're going to get through this workout. It's very simple. It's perfect for if you're beginning a workout, or it's been a long time since you've worked out. So you're going to do 30 times with boxing punches. Make sure that your arms are up around your jawline, close to your face. I am worthy of love and respect. Now you're going to do marches. Knees are going to be relatively high. If you're feeling not warmed up and it's not challenging enough, you can make sure that your knees are higher. You can always modify your movements to increase intensity or to lower intensity. Again, you're going to do 30 times with the marches. And you're going to go back to boxing punches. I am patient and kind to myself throughout my journey. See how I'm relaxed? Even though I'm punching, my body's a little loose. There's give in my hips. So there's movement in my hips while I'm punching. So you want to make sure that you're not stiff everywhere, that you're flexible enough to give and to move while you're punching. Back to marches. Again, if the intensity is not high enough, you can bring your knees up a little higher. You're going to go back to boxing punches. This is a short workout. So theoretically, you can do this workout in the morning and then do it in the evening or at lunchtime, after lunch, in the evening after dinner. So you're going to get, 26 minutes of exercise for the day. And that's perfect, especially when you're just beginning. Okay, back to marches. This is the last time. Okay, so we're going to begin the workout with ankles, knees, and reach. 10 times. Ankles, knees, all the way up. You're doing it 10 times. This is 3. 4, 5, good. 3 more times. You're gonna go into sumo squats. So legs apart and bring it down. 1, 2. If it's not intense enough, you can go down deeper. If it's too much, then you can again modify and don't go down so deep. 10 times. Okay, now we're going to do side lunges. Feet together, and you're going to move. Touch your knee.
I'm grateful for the opportunity to create.
Good. So you're going to lean into that leg and then touch. If it's not intense enough, you can touch your toes. Go all the way down and touch your toes. Other side, 10 times on the other side. This is 8, 2 more. And 10. Now you're doing crossovers, elbows to knee.
I visualize
you're going to bring it up with the knee. Good. Elbow to knee. 3, 4, 5. 4 more. And the other side. One. Good. Bring it up. Six. 3 more. Good. Okay, now you're doing kicks. 10 kicks.
My self-worth is not determined.
Bring that leg that you're kicking back and then prop it back. This is 3, 4. Again, you can go as high as you need to or low. Kick high or low, depending on your intensity level. Other side, 10 times. Perfect. Okay. We're going to go right into the second set. You're going to cool down a little bit or rest a little bit before you start the second set. Remember, the first exercise is ankles, knees, reach. Ankles, knees, and up.
I let go of
2,
comparison and focus on my unique path.
3, 4 more. 7, 8, 2 more. Perfect. Now you're doing sumo squats. You can go as low as you need to increase intensity level, or not. If this is good enough, challenging enough, then do so. Continue. Now you're doing side lunges. So feet together, and then travel to the other side, touching the knee.
I surround myself with positive influences and a supportive community.
Now you're going to do the other side 10 times. Give me 3 more. Good. Now you're doing crossovers. Elbows to knees.
I forgive
elbow to
myself
knee.
for past choices
1,
and move forward with
2,
grace.
3, 4, 6, 7, and you're going to switch it to the other side. And 1,
I am not defined by
2,
the past. I'm creating a brighter future.
4, 2 more, 9, and 10. Great. Now last exercise, kicks. Again, you can go as high as you need to increase intensity level, or low.
My body is a canvas.
This is 8,
and I choose to paint it with
9, and you're almost done. You've got 1 more leg, and it's over. 2, 3, 4, and awesome. Great job. Fantastic. So I hope this video is helpful. This workout will be helpful for you to get you on track. Like, subscribe, and share. Also, comment below. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future stuff. The big thing is these fitness and weight loss challenges that I have created for years, and they have helped so many plus size women get started losing weight and getting fit.